Okay, so recording has been started. So you have told me that you are facing error in create in while inserting, okay, or while creating tables. So as per the message, you can see that error code 1050 table medicines already exists. Okay, all right.
Yes,
So this means that in your database medical underscore shop, right, this is the database. So when
yes, sir.
you do show tables within this database, you will see that medicines table already exists. Okay, all right.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell me what is the command to show all the tables in a particular database?
Can you come again, sir? I didn't get.
uh, Command to show all the tables in a particular database is show tables. Okay,
Show tables.
yeah. So I have told you that first try to, for now, first try to, in the first line of every your script pad, okay, your query book, query notebook, okay, just type use and database name. First of all, do this thing in the first line. Yeah, whenever you create, use and then database name. No, not use database.
Ready,
Just,
sir.
yeah,
Yes,
this is a one time command. Okay,
yes, sir.
and just run it, and you will enter the database medical shop. Okay, this is something like you are entering the main gate of your house, right? Without entering main gate, how will you enter your room? Just tell me. You are
Yes, sir.
coming from somewhere, and you are trying to enter your room without entering your main gate, right? This is like this. So medical shop is main gate, right, of your house. So first enter the main gate, and then try to go to your rooms, your bedroom, your dining room, any room, right? So
Yes, sir.
rooms are tables and main gate is medical shop. All right. So now
Yes,
how
sir.
many rooms are there in your house? How will you see that? You will see show tables. So you have entered your main gate, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
in the second line, type show tables, and don't create database every time. Once you have created the database, that is okay. Just comment it or remove it.
Is this fine, sir, for commenting?
Just press space as well after double hyphen. Yeah, yeah. Now it has commented.
Yes. Show
Now show
database.
tables, not database. Database is your main gate, right? You I
Okay.
have told you to count your rooms, right? Means tables. Just imagine, database is your main gate, right?
Yes, sir.
Think in terms of general terms. Okay. Now show tables. Execute this command. Now see, medicines already exists. So once it is, well, once you have built your room, every time you don't need to break and build it, right? You just
Yes,
need to
sir.
enter records in it. Means once your room is built up, you need to insert tables in it, you need to insert chair in it, you need to insert bed in it, you need to insert bulb in it, you need to insert some decorated items in it, right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
items you need to insert, right? And create tables
Yes.
also is one time statement. Okay, don't
Yes.
don't apply create table again and again. Okay, so
Okay,
just
sir.
comment line number 5. Yeah, and now try to insert these three. Yeah, just yeah, in one go you can insert.
Truncated, sir.
Why truncated?
Don't know, sir. I am getting truncated
Data
only for
truncated
this.
call. Med manufacture at room. Med name. In med name. Med cost. Med manufactured it. Okay. Uh, okay.
Mud manufactured
Okay,
it
okay, okay,
means
okay, 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 okay. Don't do, that's why I suggested not to use date column. This is not, you can't do that in that way. Okay, just forget it. Just enter, just drop this table and try to insert it with varchar. Varchar 10. Now sorry, varchar 20. Just drop the
Yes,
table
sir.
first. Just drop the
Okay.
table first. Drop table table name, medical shop. Yeah, that you can, you are already in the database, you can do that as well. Just select and run it.
Select it, sir.
Hmm. Just select and run it. Yeah, just run it.
Yes, sir.
Now it is dropped. Just remove that command. Don't use drop again and again. Remove that command, or just
Now.
comment that. Just comment that.
Okay, okay.
All right, and now try to now try to create table line number 5. Just uncomment it. Yeah, and in the med manufacture, apply varchar 20, varchar and 20 size. Just apply varchar, and inside varchar apply 20 size 20. Yeah, and same for medicine expiry. Just do that.
I didn't get, sir.
Just expiry as well. Just do it the
Okay,
same
okay.
thing for expiry as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now now you are good enough. Now just run line 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay, just create the table first. Line number 5. Just execute line number 5 first, because you have dropped it, right? You have dropped your
Yes,
table.
sir.
Just, so now you need to recreate. Just just run it.
Yes, sir.
You have run it.
It has
Okay,
been
okay,
executed.
just comment it and maintain every code. Once you are done with it, maintain code in a notepad for your
Yes,
future
sir.
reference, because it is for you only, right? In future,
Yes, sir.
when no one is there, you can see your code yourself. Okay, just copy it. Just, yeah. And now you are able to insert 3 records. Now select
Yes,
star
sir.
from medicine. Just, yeah, line number 11. Why one? Why one?
One.
Why not 3? Just, uh, you have not
Should
selected all.
we execute separate? Yes, sir.
No, 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 you have not selected all. Just go 6 and 7 and execute. Not say, not 8 now, not 8 now. This will duplicate the record. No, no, only 6 and 7. Just do 6 and 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Again, only one has been selected, sir. One or two.
You are what command you are using?
Control plus enter R.
Okay, just leave it. On line number 7, now execute line number 102. Well, line number 6. I don't know. This is not the case. You are doing something wrong, but because it should execute. But anyway, just execute line number 6. Okay. Now do select start from. Now it is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will, in today's class, I'm going to tell you one more insert where method. I will not proceed much because I will not tell you about null values. I will tell you to insert one more method, and then we will try to learn null tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just stop me this. I'm trying to stop the video for doubt class.